Hello, my name is Rosie. I'm wanting to show you how I grind my own paints. And this is magenta red, okay? And this is a piece of glass, sand-blown glass. So this is the pigment. That I got from Zecchi's. And Daniel Grays and Charles Cecil taught me in the 80s in Borgo San Frediano at the school. So I'm doing this, everything that I use is from Zecchi in the little studio, and this is cold pressed walnut oil, okay? So I make a hole in the middle, I put the pigment and then make a hole in the middle and put the walnut oil. Make a type of paste. It mustn't be too liquid. Okay, turn it over and over before you grind it with a palette knife. I have just come back from Sicily, from Taormina, so I'm doing this beautiful colour to be able to do the flowers. Okay, so now it's a beautiful paste. Then I just grind. Okay, it's very, very easy, and the colours are so much more beautiful. There's absolutely no comparison. They last for a long time, and they turn out to be more economical. So I fully recommend. Look what a beautiful colour it is. Okay, so that's how it should be, a paste. And then from there I put it into a tube, which you get from Zecchi, okay, like that. And then I just put it in the tube and turn it up and down, like that.